When we talk about real estate, we're often looking at the big national picture, but local markets have their own dynamics and their own storylines. And when we look at the list of the hottest markets for 2025, those dynamics look very, very competitive. Hi, I'm Skylar Olson, Chief Economist at Zillow. I'm here to help. Looking ahead to the coming year, we crunched the numbers for you to see where the hottest, most competitive markets in 2025 might be. And the list holds a few surprises. After dominating last year's list, metros in Florida and Ohio just didn't make the cut. Instead, we have new cities from the Northeast and Midwest, along with a few familiar ones from last year's list. On the list, we have Buffalo, Indianapolis, Providence, Rhode Island, Hartford, Connecticut, Philadelphia, St. Louis, Charlotte, Kansas City, Richmond, and Salt Lake City. And one thing they all have in common: speed. The shortest days on market in November, or the time a home takes to go from sale to pending, is 7 days, while other hot markets see an average of like 8 or 9. And to give you an idea of how fast that is, the average nationally on market in November was just a leisurely 28 days. This means serious buyers should be prepared to move quickly if they find a home they love in one of these markets. Now back to the list. To come up with our list of the hottest markets, we analyzed the 50 largest US metro areas for the following: home value growth, both actual and projected, expected change in owner-occupied households, job growth compared to new construction, and the speed at which homes sold. New jobs often attract new residents, and with that comes increasing competition for homes. That can drive home prices higher unless new construction keeps up with the revved up demand. The combination of these things makes these markets the hottest or most competitive in the country. Only one Western metro made the top 10, and that's Salt Lake City, where homes are appreciating relatively slowly and going from listing to pending in 19 days. That's a bit slower, but still makes it to the top 10. The Midwest is amply represented. It took 3 spots on the list: Indianapolis, St. Louis, and Kansas City, Missouri. Northeast metros also landed 3 spots in the top 10: Philadelphia, Hartford, and Buffalo. Buffalo took the top spot for the second year in a row as new industries continue to entertain these metros as more affordable alternatives to, say, nearby Boston or New York. So how do you move quickly? What are the takeaways from this kind of data? Well, competition for these homes in popular markets is likely to be pretty intense, especially if people continue to migrate to these areas for choice jobs. So we expect home value appreciation, but modestly over 2025. Less home value growth should help you stick to your budget, but mortgage rates will still jump around. So of course you should be clear about what you're looking for, how much home you can afford, and in these markets that's extra important because you won't have a lot of time to make that offer. So get pre-approved and check out the buyability tool from Zillow Home Loans. And finally, something only you can know: when you find that home, be sure the home you're considering checks all the important boxes for you. Now, be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and our Market Trends newsletter for all our housing updates. And as always, good luck out there.